Apple is finally being forced into a corner, and the iPhone 17e is the proof. After years of releasing budget iPhones with outdated displays, weak batteries, and designs stuck in the past, the company is now preparing a device that directly responds to every complaint users have made. According to leaks, the iPhone 17e is reportedly getting a 4,610 milliamp hour battery, a massive jump that instantly changes its entire identity. This single upgrade means reliable full-day use, whether it's heavy social media, calls, streaming, or gaming. The leak also claims the phone will finally support essential fast charging, 20 watts wired and 7.5 watts wireless. Apple clearly wants budget buyers to feel they're getting a phone that doesn't slow them down. Design is the next big shift. The company is finally modernizing the look of its cheaper iPhones. The notch era is ending for budget models, and leaks strongly suggest the iPhone 17e will adopt the dynamic island, delivering a flagship-level aesthetic without a flagship-level cost. The display will be a 6.1-inch OLED, compact and vibrant. The only real compromise is the 60 Hz refresh rate, a necessary move to keep pricing controlled. But paired with OLED and dynamic island, most users will not feel shortchanged. The camera situation is where confusion existed, so here's the clear picture. Earlier reports hinted at major rear camera changes, but recent updates say Apple will reuse the 48-megapixel rear sensor from the iPhone 16. The reason becomes obvious when you see where the real upgrade is happening: the front. The iPhone 17e is getting the new 18-megapixel front camera, borrowed from the flagship iPhone 17 lineup, and this one hides a major innovation. It uses a square sensor and supports center stage, allowing perfect vertical or horizontal framing without rotating your phone. For TikTok, Reels, and video calls, this instantly becomes one of the most practical selfie systems Apple has ever built. Performance is where Apple removes all doubt about its intentions. This isn't another recycled chipset year. The iPhone 17e is expected to run the A19 Bionic, the same chip inside the regular iPhone 17, only with slightly fewer GPU cores to manage cost. Paired with 8GB RAM and storage options up to 512GB, this makes the 17e fast, efficient, and fully capable of handling Apple Intelligence features on iOS 26. It essentially brings flagship-level performance to Apple's budget tier for the first time. Leaks suggest a February 2026 global launch, with the base 8GB plus 128GB model priced at $599 in the US. If these leaks hold true, the iPhone 17e is more than a budget phone. It's a compact device with strong battery life, modern design, powerful cameras, and a true flagship processor at a reasonable price.